Welcome learners to Sarthak Education Channel. This is CDPatel Digital Room for Android sessions. Today we are going to learn about indent and its type. First of all, let me give you some examples in our Android programming. So first is broadcast the message. Second is we can use indent for start the camera. We can use start the service. We can use for launch an activity. We can use display a web page, and we can also use an indent for dial a phone number. Even we can answer a phone call. So what is in indent? So indent, it's like these pictures. Indent is an abstract description of operation to be performed. Indent provide facility for performing late runtime binding between the code in different applications. Its most significant use is to launching an activities, where it can be thought as glue between two activities. Indents are the standard messaging mechanism in Android operating system that express users' intention to perform some works. They allow you to interact with component that you define by you and Android operating system. So the basic usage is launching of activities. So how we can create indent in Android programming? So the logical workflow of create an indent has main three steps. The first step is create indent. We can create indent using the class indent and its object. We need to add some indent options. For example, what type of indent we are sending to the operating system, or any attribute associated with indent such as text string or something being passed from one activity to another activity using indent. So for add option in indent, we have these are the facilities. We can use action. It is mandatory part for intent. Second is data. It is used to add some data in intent filter. The third part is category. That is the additional or optional part of intent object. Another part is type, that is the significant or specified explicit type of intent data. Components, it is the name of optional feed and it may represent activity, service or broadcast receiver. Extras is used to key value pair for additional information, and this is the bundle of additional informations. So in indent options we can use actions, data, category, types, components and extras. And the third step is to run your indent. So these are the basic steps to create indent. First step, create intent. Second step, add some options. And third step, run intent. Now we are going to understand how many types of intents. There are basically two types. The first one is called explicit intent and second one that is called implicit intent. The first explicit intent means it is used to connected internal world of applications. For example, the main activity going to connect login activity, where implicit intent it used to components in other applications, or sometimes it has no name as a target and field for the component name is blank. Like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get update on Android sessions. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day.